right, y'all. This is as good as it's gonna get. So we about to, today's Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody. Yes, it's my first holiday on YouTube and it's Halloween. So we about to get real spooky with it.
Oh, into the grass out, twin.
So I got this from Joann's Fabric and I got another little palette of paint so I could paint my face. And today we about to be the avatar. I'm gonna insert a picture for y'all so y'all can see what the avatar is. Because people be telling me I look like her. And so let's do it. It's Halloween. I ordered the costume. Everything ready to go, baby. I don't know how to do makeup, but we're gonna figure it out today. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the TV the instructions that I'm doing. Y'all, I probably should have faced the camera this way so I could look at the TV this way. Because I can't really see it from where I'm at. Get right here. So y'all gonna see me doing a lot of this. Does it look good? Does it look, looking back? Because there's a mirror behind me. So yeah, but listen, I got a couple tools and we about to do what we could do. So let's get into it. Alexa, play Pandora. So we're gonna start by putting our hair back. And I just washed my face, so we need a fresh canvas. All right. All right, so the mirror that was back there, I put it in front of me so I can see what is going on. So we about to start by, she took a brush. I don't know if I'm supposed to be painting my face with this brush, but anyways, we're gonna start with this. All right, y'all, so this is the face paint. All right, y'all, we about to paint our face. So fun. Oh shoot, y'all. You see that? Oh, that's crazy. All right, let's see. I can't really see too good from this far, but I hope it's going on. Is she painting her eyebrow? I don't know if I have to paint my eyebrows.
Loved doing this look and it was so quick and easy, you guys. I cannot even tell you. Then I'm gonna use this Nazarene.
All right, y'all, this is it so far. I'm almost done, but I just wanted to show y'all how I've been doing it. So I can't even move my face. Look, like, I'm not a makeup artist. I can't paint. I'm a good drawer. That's the only reason that I had faith in this, is because I know how to draw. But this is how it's coming out so far. I'm not really feeling the contour on the cheekbones, but I don't know how to do it. Look at my fingers. Listen, girl, it's been work over here. Like, I'm about to finish this though, because I don't, like, you feel me? I think this is the only good thing I did so far, and hopefully I look cute, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, little avatar type vibe, like, you know, that's what I'm trying to get. But this is where we're at right now, and I'm gonna come back to y'all one more video to show y'all the finished look. But yeah, this is as far as I've got. Wish me luck, y'all. All right, y'all. So hold on, let me put my hair back again so y'all could really see. So I didn't end up going nowhere today, but I just ended up finishing this because at this point, why not, right? I'm not going anywhere. I might as well do my best. All right, y'all, so I really just did half of it in the mirror because I couldn't see. I can't see from all the way over here, so I had to get up, sit in front of the mirror, and this is basically the finished product. I'm about to put on the glitter with y'all and the lipstick real quick. Well, I'm probably not gonna put too much lipstick because I'll probably put on this lip gloss. Let's see. I don't know. Oh, all right, so I did the little dots and everything. I had to look at a picture, and basically, like I said earlier, I know how to draw. So that's the only reason that I had confidence. All All right, so this is the end result. I mean, she's cool, I guess, right? For my first time, I mean, hey, what's up? I did pretty good. So let's see, we're about to end it off. Ooh. About to end it off with putting this gel glitter on, I guess. Hope it doesn't smudge. Is it smudging, y'all? Oh no. Yeah, this is done. Nah, yeah, I'm done.
What more do you want from me?
I'm done. I just did this. Yeah, okay, Halloween over. Thank you guys for tuning in, and you know, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys watching, because this is as far as I got. You know, I said I had a costume. I do have a costume, but I'm not gonna put it on. I'll say that for next year. I just messed this side of my face up, I think, with trying to put some glitter on, trying to be cute. That's my problem. So now I'm just gonna end it here. And let me know what you guys think. Yes. Okay, give me a rate, 1 out of 10. What did I do?